From here you can see the river in the background with the boats. And a few nights ago there was a big firework display. So here's our room in Bangkok. We're just saying goodbye. This is our last day here. We really enjoyed our stay. All right, so how was your stay here?
Very good.
1 to 10.
10.
10, all right. It was a really fun stay.
Yeah.
So next where we're headed?
To Kanchanaburi.
Yes, and we're very, very excited about that. It's a little bit more nature. So we're gonna try to see some different things. I don't want to spoil anything, but we do have some plans to have a good time there.
Yes.
So I guess Tara?
Yeah.
All right. The only ones on this road, except for that guy. Kapoom kap. Alright, so now we're at the mini bus station. So we just bought the tickets there. And now here's the entrance. And they're all differently numbered. And then our bus is 144, so pretty easy. So we have about an hour wait here, and then the bus ride from here to there is around 3 hours. So this bus area is huge. It goes on that way for a while, and then over here. And we're on 139 now, so we're coming up to ours pretty soon. But there's so many buses. We're probably right towards the end. All right, here's 144. So we'll wait about an hour and then we'll get ready to go. Alright guys, so we just made it. Kanchanaburi bus terminal, if I'm saying that right. This one's just a little bit smaller than Bangkok, but pretty cool. So the next thing we're gonna do is go try to find a motorbike. So far you can tell that there's a little less traffic, and then where we're staying is even going to be less traffic, so we'll be a little like in the kind of province a little bit, so we're away from the city even more. But here's a little walk, some of the stores.
Kinda like Cebu.
It does kind of have a feel of it. Hey bro. Wow, look at the size of that dog. Hey boy. Good boy. He's wearing a Santa Claus outfit. Looks like a big lab. Hey. Very friendly doggy. So our Grab taxi just got here. She's gonna get in first. All right, guys. So we just picked out our bike. We're at OK Bike. It's right in downtown, kind of. But here it is. Nice looking bike. I want to do this just for evidence that there's no damage before we take it too. So we'll be driving that around for a little while. Very cool bike. All right, we just got our bike. Thank you to Meow. Okay, bike.
You're welcome.
Very, very lovely person. So definitely come here to get your bike. All right, we're excited. Thank you. Kapun Kap. She gave us a little Thai language lesson as well.
Yeah.
So we just met our very first Thailander subscriber. And what's your name?
My name is Sakalin.
Sakalin.
Yeah, nickname is Top.
So,
Top.
Top.
I am police.
Oh, police. Nice. All right. It's good to know some police guys around here. All right. Awesome.
Police in Canterbury city.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Good.
Okay.
Well, we respect your work, man.
Yeah.
And thank you for subscribing. We appreciate that.
See you. Good luck.
All right. See ya. Bye-bye. All right, guys. Here we go. So one thing to remember here. Thank you very much. Kapun Klap. Bye-bye. So one thing to remember here is we're driving on the opposite side of the road, like I'm used to in Philippines and in America. So you can see it's on the opposite side here. Alright, so this is a McDonald's in Thailand. Pretty nice out here. There's Ronald himself. I'm impressed. This is really nice. Very clean. Wi-Fi available here. Alright, so we traveled all the way to Thailand just to go to McDonald's. No, but this is quick and convenient. But I am kind of interested to see, you know, how it tastes compared to Philippines or, you know, back in the States.
Yeah.
But one thing,
No rice.
Rich, you noticed no rice. Are you gonna be okay
Yes,
with no rice?
I'll be okay.
Alright.
But whoa, McDonald's.
Yeah, it's different. It's a huge McDonald's too. So let's see. I got the chicken McBurger, McChicken. That looks really good though. That chicken. So it looks and smells about the same. Very good. It tastes like a McChicken from McDonald's.
So I'll get the sauce.
All right. So another thing we noticed is that there's no gravy for the chicken. We do have some like chili sauce, which is here, and the ketchup for the fries. So Richie's gonna test out the chili. That's one thing about the Philippines. You see the gravy almost everywhere.
Maybe they
I
have.
think we might fall in love with that. Maybe that's even better. That pretty good? Is that kind of like sweet and sour maybe? Okay,
Chili sauce.
cool.
Try it.
Alright, can't say no. Ooh. These little crispy nuggets are really
This
good.
one, the meat. I think it's right.
That is good, yeah.
And it's not so spicy.
Yeah, it's like sweet and sour. That's really, really good. Wow. When it's crispy like that, it's really good. So we're a little out of town, so we decided to stop by McDonald's before we go back to our room. We don't know what the eating options are when we get there, but it sounds kind of secluded, so we're hoping you know, it's a little bit quiet and less traffic. It's really fresh. I mean, so far the food has been really good no matter where you go. From outside of street food to like McDonald's fast food. So far everything we've eaten is really, really good. But driving here, we did see the mountains in the background, so we're excited to see some waterfalls and stuff. So hopefully the weather is nice, and we'll try to do that sometime soon. But we have a lot of different activities that we're gonna do, so we might not do that right away, but there's a lot of stuff we want to go see. Wow, very good job. Richie cleans those bones. So one thing I want to mention before we do leave, which I thought was kind of interesting, was behind me they have like a free charging, free Wi-Fi co-working space. You can see that there's like a family studying and someone doing their like work there, and they're like encouraging people to come and, you know, use that space to do your schoolwork or do anything you want. And they have like little chargers on the bottom there. So I just thought that was kind of interesting. Well, anyway, I guess from here we're done, and then we will drive back to the room. It's about 10 minutes more from here, 15 minutes, we'll just depending. So I guess we'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, hey guys, I'm not sure if you can see us or not, but this is where Google Maps took us. You probably can't see, but we're pretty much in a forest right now. You can hear the crickets if you're quiet. Are you scared, Richie? Yes. Alright, so I think we're going to turn around. So we just checked in. Kapung Kwap. He's the owner.
My name's Banjong.
Mahjong.
Banjong.
Banjong. Like Bon Jovi.
Jong. Banjong.
Banjong. Nice to meet you. I'm Dustin.
That's it.
Dustin, and then this is Richie.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for having us.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Sawadika.
So you guys are gonna see the room the same time as us. Room number 4, they call it the greenhouse. Nice.
Oh, cool.
Cool.
Wow.
It definitely is green. Everything you need right here.
Our terrace here.
Yeah, we have our own little balcony.
Our balcony, yeah.
Very cool.
Can dance TikTok here.
Yeah. So you're gonna see some TikTok videos coming soon right out here. But wait, there's some tents over there.
Cool.
They're probably sleeping, so I don't want to be too loud. But there's tents over there, and then more like little cabins, if you want to call them, over there. This is a little hard to find. There's like one directions was probably behind there where we were, where that gate was. Nice surroundings. So we said no one's staying here in the tents tonight. So Richie and I
Let's take
might take a walk through there.
Yes.
All right, cool. All right. We had our own parking spot. Nice sitting area. Oh, they got their own CRs out there too. They actually do have power in there with AC and a mattress and stuff. There's a shower. So there's lots of tents out here. But he said no one's staying out here tonight. So this is a pretty big area. There's tents there, and back here is like a field. Hi Richie, I'll wait here. Let's see how far you can go on your own. Do you think you can make it to those trees on your own?
Wrong turn.
Wrong turn.
Did you hear the chainsaw?
It does sound like a chainsaw. So we just found a tree, which we thought was mango, but we don't think it's mango. There's one that fell.
Hard.
It's really, really hard. We're not sure what that is. If you guys know what that is, let us know. But it's hard. The shell.
It's like this or this.
Alright guys, so I think we're just gonna call it a night. Tomorrow, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do for tomorrow tonight. So hopefully some fun things tomorrow. I'm just excited to ride the bike around on our own and kind of explore.
Yes.
So very cool. So this is a cool area.
I like it
A lot different from Bangkok.
Yeah.
It's Bangkok was like pretty much the epicenter of like everyone around there. Lots of noise, a lot of stuff going on. So right here it's a little bit more quiet, which is nice. So a little bit different. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I guess we'll see you guys next time. So see you later.